What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today I'm doing something, I don't know, I don't even know if it's gonna work, but I'm still gonna try it, and if it works, yes, and if it doesn't, we will figure it out. So I was going around the color wheel, and that is how I selected the colors. So cerulean blue, phthalo blue in the blue section with a titanium white. Then we got a violet, and then a violet mixed with a little bit of white and some titanium white for this red violet section. For the orange, red orange section, I have a fluorescent orange and then an orange I did mix with a little bit of red with some titanium white to layer it with. And then for the yellows, I have a deep yellow and then a light yellow with some titanium white to layer them with. The whole idea of this pour is, it's kind of, I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay, so I'm gonna layer these colors, these colors, these colors, and these colors in their own cups. And they're gonna have quadrants, and it's gonna be like 4 different flip cups in the center. There's no silicone mixed in any of these colors at all. Then I'm gonna swipe titanium white over the top of them. Now keep in mind, they're gonna be layered in the cups, so when they come out, they're gonna have their own flows to them. Take the titanium white, swipe over top of it, hopefully leaving a thin layer of white. That is the dream. Then going in with our magic serum and toothpicks and doing chameleon cells, and hopefully we'll have some pretty cool color difference across the canvas. Now, that's the idea, you guys. That was a long intro to talk about what I want to do, and I apologize for that. So I'm gonna cut down this video length a little bit by I'm gonna layer it, but I'm gonna speed this part up so you don't have to watch me layering each individual color. But I did want you to see what I was doing instead of me coming here with colors already layered. So here we go. All right. So you probably saw we had a couple drips. And during the process of that, you might have been wondering what this black tub is. So I met a new friend, actually in real life, that watches my videos, and he showed me that he uses a water heater. This goes under a water heater to catch like the water that might leak out, and it's like the perfect size. And it's not as tall, so I could have larger canvases on here. And as long as I don't spin the heck out of it, should work. That's the idea anyway. Okay, so I've got another canvas, because 4 cups, flipping them, it's gonna be a mess. And we're gonna end up with colors touching each other that I don't want touching. So I'm gonna arrange them all like so. And then we're gonna pick up this whole production here. And the tape on the back of the canvas should hold it in place. And then flip. And that is a less messy way for us to get our 4 colors flipped. Now, yeah, they're not centered. So, I mean, I can slide them a little bit. There we go. Let's see, I think I have extra white mixed over here somewhere. Yeah. I do want to put a little bit of a base in there. So, oops. Make sure it's mixed up good. Yeah, so it's at about a 0-second trace. So we're gonna take and go around all the cups. I know we have enough paint within these cups themselves to do what I want, but normally if I do this and flip the cup at the same time, it gives me a nice little white layer, and that's what we're going for anyway. Is I do want a layer of white across the top, so that way when we do chameleon cells, we'll have that extra little bit of punch in contrast. All right, I think we're ready. Now, I'm not gonna be able to flip them all at the same time, so let's see. I'll just flip it this way. Whoop. Dope. And then like that. Okay. That is so far what I was hoping for. so far. All right. Yeah, I love the transparencies. You can see them just perfect. Love it. Okay. Pop some bubbles. There we go. I think this torch is running out of fuel, which is fine. We shouldn't need much. Got a little piece of dust in there that I can only see because of the reflection. Okay, so in theory, well, shoot. I wonder if I should swipe. Probably should swipe first. Maybe put a cup under this so I can catch extra drips. We're gonna be swiping this way. All right, so I'm gonna take my little swiper tool and I'm just gonna allow like a thin coat to be on here, right? So I'm not trying to put a whole ton. All right, so let's see what we can do. Just a nice light drag. I mean, maybe. Actually, you know what? Maybe I don't need to have a white layer going across the whole top. Maybe that little tiny bit of introduction of another color would be cool. So let's see. See, it's experiments. That's all I do. I love just figuring stuff out. I don't know. It makes me happy. All right, so maybe, oh, I just put a big drip of white, so. Oh, that's cool looking. I like that. Hopefully we can keep these colors as stark as they are right now. How's everybody doing today? I am still trying to get out a video each day for you guys. Whether it's inspiration or just, you know, watching what I'm up to. Another thin layer of white. Just thin. We don't want it too big. All right, that's cool. Now we can spin it and it should still be doing what we want. And we can still get chameleon cells out of it regardless. So that is the goal. All right, let me get this white over there. We already got some drips. We got so much paint on this canvas right now. So, uh-oh, I think my tape started to come loose. So just a little spin. Because like I said, there's a ton of paint on here already. We will get coverage. Absolutely. I really like the colors, the differences, like orange and purple, blue, yellow. Really cool, guys. Just need to get a little bit more of that orange to the side. And I should have probably just touched it, helped it, instead of just spinning it. Oh, just a little spin. Woo! That's exciting stuff, guys. So if this works, I've got other ideas for something similar to this. And I'm pretty sure that this is gonna work. So, let's take a little bit of our, where's it at? No, it's right in front of my face. All right, so I'll take a little bit of this coconut milk hair serum from OGX. And then I have a dotting tool. And we will dot the silicone on. I think I want to follow the lines of the different colors. So I'm not pushing through the canvas, I'm touching until I feel the canvas underneath. And then I raise the dotting tool. I don't want to poke through the canvas. So I am being aware of that. So we're going to follow this orange line here. Yeah, it's doing some pretty cool stuff, guys. All right. Yeah, these cells, they're doing exactly what I was hoping, which that's not That doesn't always happen for me. Although the purple right there, you see that? Like nothing is happening. There we go. There, now it's happening. That was weird. That it didn't want to do anything. But yeah, those cells, look at them. Woo! That is so cool, you guys, what? Now I do want to follow, I do want to fill this whole thing, but, oh man, I love the way this is looking so far. So maybe I won't fill the whole thing. Man, this is so cool. So just as a reminder, I am doing that in-person event, November, I want to say it's November 2nd and 3rd. I could be wrong. It's a Friday and Saturday. First weekend in November. Teaching class in person. First day will be open cups. Second day will be this technique right here for trying to help everybody out with the difficulties that they're having with chameleon cells and just give you an easier starting point. But I'm very excited for that. I cannot wait. This is so cool looking. It's really interesting when you have an idea in your head and then when you go to try it, that it actually works. I wasn't sure if this was going to work or not. I didn't know how that subtle layer of white was going to work. But I do think that it was the combination of layering white as the first color in each cup and then pouring white around the cups. So when you flip them, the colors can kind of flow underneath the white. That is cool looking, you guys. I'm probably not gonna do very much more, because I love the little wisps of the colors. I know when the silicone keeps spreading, it's gonna push other colors off. That's the only thing I'm worried about, is I don't want to lose a giant section of this or have these cells grow so much that there's nothing left, you know what I mean? Or these cells expand off. So, shoot, I think this is really cool just the way it is right now. It's very wispy and delicate and beautiful. So yeah, so I'm gonna take a chance. We're gonna say this is good. And I'm gonna give it a couple moments. These cells are gonna continue to expand a little bit, and then I'm gonna set it off to dry. We'll see it wet, we'll see it dry, and then you can decide for yourself if you like it. All right, so I gave it about 20 minutes. These cells should be expanded close to the limit that they're gonna expand it on. That's what I'm hoping for, because I'm hoping all these really nice wispy areas just stay this way. But it is stunning right now. I can honestly say that I love the way this came out. So the colors just tend to push into each other and leave subtle little hints that they were there. And then in the areas where there's no cells, it has this really gorgeous, wispy appearance. Hello, Piper. I don't know where you are right now. But yeah, this thing came out so nice. Even in each little cell, there's something. Like little universes of their own.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.